The Battle of Siranaya, fought in March 1904, was a significant engagement during the Moro Rebellion in the southern Philippines, part of the broader Philippine-American War. It involved U.S. forces under General Leonard Wood attacking the stronghold of Datu Ali, a prominent Moro leader who resisted American authority and refused to comply with anti-slavery laws. The battle took place in Siranaya, located in present-day Mid-Siap, Cotabato. General Wood led a force comprising 5 companies and an artillery battery equipped with a 3.2-inch field gun. They launched an assault on Datu Ali's Kota, fortified settlement, which was defended by several thousand Moro warriors. After 2 days of intense shelling, the fort surrendered. However, Datu Ali and most of his forces managed to escape. The Americans captured significant weaponry left behind, including 21 Spanish cannons and 72 lantakas, traditional bronze cannons. The battle was controversial due to the excessive use of force. Secretary of War William Taft criticized General Wood for the brutality of the operation. Despite the tactical victory, Datu Ali continued to resist American rule until his death in 1905. The Battle of Siranaya exemplified the challenges the U.S. faced in pacifying the Moro regions and highlighted the complexities of enforcing new laws, such as the abolition of slavery, in culturally diverse areas.